21. I'm not sure. 21 or 25.
18.
Well, if you're getting married when you're 18 and 21, shouldn't that be the legal age for sex in India?
Yeah, I think it's 18.
18.
There's no legal age to have sex in India.
Nobody gave us
Where did you learn about sex? Like proper education?
Where did you learn about sex?
Yeah, that's it.
It's a part of our annual. I mean, when we go into class 9th and 10th, it's like compulsory things.
School time around 16, 17 days.
16, 17.
I don't think I had like a proper formal talk.
There was just something organized in my school in 10th or 11th standard.
I think 10 would be mine, but they didn't talk about any real sex stuff, but yeah, something related to it. 10 class like this.
Schools, it was mostly neglected. And in college too, there was some one or two organizations that came up and they told us about this. But the thing is, I knew about sex and everything before that, before I was actually educated about that. Through my friends and obviously pornography and all this. Yes, I did play actually. We are not taught in schools and stuff. This
I highly doubt that. But there have been attempts जो उस तरह से directed है, but जहाँ तक मुझे लगता है, I don't think, no. I guess no. Because mostly it's an entertainment industry, so you can't expect entertainment to educate you.
I don't know. I seriously don't know.
यार एक कॉपर्टी आता है और एक वजाइनल रबर कुछ आता है, पर मेरे को पता नहीं कि वो नाम क्या कहते हैं.
I actually have no idea.
IUD, intrauterine device.
Honestly, I have no idea.
Yeah, we have no idea.
I don't exactly remember. The name I don't remember, but there's this T-shaped contraceptive.
No, I don't think so. If it is given together, what's the problem in that?
I don't see what's the rationale behind that. What does it matter? Separately, करने का point.
I think there is a tradition of doing it separately because there's some sort of uncomfortable, awkward situations that happen.
It's exactly like asking, do you want to give moral science separately to man and women? I mean, it doesn't make sense. Why do you want to separate them? Treat them as humans.
I mean, if you think they're mature enough to get a sex education, they should be mature enough to get it together.
It totally depends on the comfortability level of the learner.
No, not at all.
एक थोड़ा सा ट्रस्ट सा सीन आ जाता है, थोड़ा बहुत एक eventually societal, but if I say probably yes.
No, I think we're pretty open about this concept these days. It's just that the hypocrisy plays a huge thing. I mean, we men talking about it, sex education or sex, right? The girls are equally talking about it, so why not do it together? I might actually be more comfortable talking to a female about it.
From both the ends, only the person of the same sex can actually give you the viewpoint of that sex. Obviously, you need to hear the other viewpoint also. But I think दोनों को involved होना चाहिए. Like first the female, then the male. If you're educating the female, then both parts should be there. First the female, then the male. So that sequence, I don't know whether it's correct or not, but I think sequential होना
I
चाहिए.
mean, as long as the person knows what the shit he's talking about, it's fine, irrespective of gender.
I don't have a problem with that, but if people have a problem, it can be considered.
Definitely not in schools.
Definitely. I think it's very important.
Sex education should be a part of curriculum, school curriculum.
Vasectomy is for to stop reproduction.
और क्या होता
ओवल ट्यूब्स काट देते हैं.
I'm not sure, but I know it's the surgical stoppage kind of pregnancy.
Men, nasbandi बोलते हैं इसको for men and tubectomy for women. Where it is tied. Tubectomy is, I think, one of them is reversible and other is not. I don't know which one.